So, if you were talking to someone and they were like maybe considering using Stephen or Gill Construction Solutions, what is something you would share with them?
I would tell them, okay, first of all, before you do anything, whether it's a small project or a large project, one of the things you want to do is itemize the things that you have thought of and get together with um, someone. As a matter of fact, get together with several someones uh, and then have conversations with them about the things that you want to do and figure out how would they go about making that happen for you. And if you like the responses better and they have answers to the questions, because as the more you do, the more questions you're going to have about getting it done.
Right.
And so I would say ask the questions. Don't just talk about it with your friends who may have had a project done by somebody else. A lot of times it's Joe Schmo, whoever they can get to do it the cheapest as possible. But sometimes you want to pay for the expertise and the quality. Sometimes, and my philosophy is you do get what you pay for. And so if you want something that you enjoy or something that means a lot to you, it's worth the expense to get it done right.
Yeah, sometimes you save yourself a lot of heartache and headache down the road if it's done better, a better done job and quality.
Exactly.